That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later. Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet.
Speak. Roar. Talk. Growl. Sputter. Whistle.
This volcano exploded in Papua New Guinea, and it created a huge shockwave.
Here we go. Wait till we get to move. I said, wait till we get to move.
This artist created an incredible zoetrope. Aquariums around the world are closed to visitors right now, so many aquariums are letting their penguins go for a walk to look at other exhibits. This paraglider landed on top of the chute of another glider. This cat enjoys being pet while hanging upside down.
Good kitty.
Scientists will use a drone and hover over a whale and wait for it to blow water so they can study their mucus. This is data of pollution levels in China from January to March of this year. China enforced a lockdown of the entire country, ordering people to stay in their homes. In late January and early February, pollution levels were extremely low. Pollution levels began to rise in March once China allowed citizens to leave their homes again. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later. Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This baby tried ice cream for the very first time and instantly fell in love.
Ice cream for her birthday party. No. Legally, let go. Let go. Let go. You gotta help Big Brittany.
A 64-year-old man went on a kayaking trip by himself and disappeared. The police found him alive 3 days later by tracking the last location of his cell phone. He is currently recovering in a local hospital. This cat was caught doing sit-ups underneath a car. A coyote and a badger were spotted hunting together in California. Badgers and coyotes actually have a long history of hunting for food together. If a coyote chases an animal down a hole, the badger will chase it and catch it. If a badger chases an animal out of the hole, the coyote will chase the animal above the ground. These traditional Maasai men from Kenya were having fun using phone filters for the very first time. Here's a good example of how fast a forest fire can move. The timestamp shows that the firefighters had less than 2 minutes to get out of the area. These are 2 ribbon eels, and this is what they look like when they swim. This is what happens when you light a tea bag on fire. In some places in Vietnam, it might be difficult to find flat land to grow rice, so instead they are grown on hills using steps called terraces. That's the end of this video. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later. Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This dog likes to stop by this car wash to get a good rub.
Что делает собака? Какая она находчивая собачка. Они говорят, работники заправки, что она постоянно выжидает.
A few days ago, NASA released the clearest and most close-up view of the sun ever. Each blob of solar plasma you see is about 800 miles wide. A diver found an octopus that changes colors in a mesmerizing fashion. Mumbai, India has a major car horn problem. When people are waiting at red lights, they will hit their car horns even though that fixes nothing. For one day, the police introduced a system where people have to wait longer the more they hit their horns. Here's a really wrinkly cat. This person was walking to their car when they suddenly got run over by a deer. Luckily, the person wasn't hurt and got right back up. Here's a newborn elephant trying to walk for the very first time. That's the end of this video. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. There's a plant in India that can give you an instant temporary tattoo. This person designs fidget spinners that present an animation when you spin it. A thief walked into a jewelry store pretending that he wanted to buy something. The thief tried to escape, but the doors were locked. Here's a behind-the-scenes look of the type of engineering that goes into developing the autopilot system for Tesla. I know I already showed a similar video before, but this time they dug the hole even deeper to make the sounds even stranger. This person created his own radio setup in his house that allows him to speak with astronauts living on the International Space Station.
And I will have about a 10-minute window to attempt contact with the International Space Station. Hello, this is Larry in Minnesota. Nice to talk with you.
Oh, Minnesota. Man, we're kind of a low pass for you guys, huh?
Yes, you are. I'm running a vertical antenna, which is not the best way to do this, but it's working for me.
That is super clear up here. Nice equipment.
That's the end of this video. Hopefully I was able to make your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This person owns an overly aggressive romantic cat.
Stop. No.
A few days ago, over 200 people grabbed a scooter and drove through the streets of Los Angeles. The police weren't too happy about the situation. These two Americans took a train ride through a part of China that doesn't get very many tourists, and people couldn't stop staring. This bartender noticed that a man was choking and rushed over. After a few thrusts, the food was dislodged and the man's life was saved. There's a type of bird that will dive underwater and grab the suckerfish that are stuck on whale sharks for a good meal. This person took 99 phones, put them in a wagon, and started walking down an empty street and instantly created a traffic jam on Google Maps. A company developed a new type of cast that allows it to get wet or dirty. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. Amazingly, nobody got hurt.
So if your kitten's being really annoying, this is what you do. Just roll it up in a little ball. He likes it, he doesn't mind.
This person rode their bike on the train and crashed and broke a window. This is called a sea angel, which is a type of slug that can swim deep underwater. This dog is a local celebrity in Georgia because it always barks at traffic when children need to cross the street. Here's a cool graph showing the most populated cities in the world.
Good morning, Pebbles. Hi. Good morning. Hi. I want to cuddle? Hi, good morning.
This is called a wonderpuss, and the reason why it's so special is because it can inflate and deflate its body like a balloon. Here's a dog with a very unhappy and unsatisfied face. That's the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This beluga whale was very happy and fascinated to meet this penguin.
Piece number 2000. Took a long time, many hours, but thank you, thank you.
Here's a cat that's finally had enough. As an April Fool's prank, this dad told his kids that they open the schools back up and that they need a way for the school bus.
Hey girls, can you tell me what day it is?
Back to school.
Can you tell me the date?
I couldn't. No. April 4th. I hate you! Oh my god! Yes! It's April Fool's Day! I literally hate you!
This guy was so desperate to sneak out during lockdown that he dressed up as a bush.
Reached new extremes of how to sneak out.
Here's an easy animation showing how something like a satellite or the moon orbits Earth. At just the right trajectory and velocity, it's possible to make an object fall basically forever. Here's a cool device you can attach to your truck to basically turn it into a snowmobile. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This train threw a wave of snow on people waiting at the station. With a little bit of editing magic, you can make your dreams come true. Many people love to ski and explore, but they're under lockdown right now, so this is the next best thing they can do. This person is blind, but he can still tell what type of soda is in each bottle.
Fanta. Give me the other bottle. This one's the tough one. This is Coke Zero.
Here's a dog that knows how to play volleyball. This dog got really excited when their owner found them hiding. Every day, this cat brings a slipper to its owner. Here's a lizard with a really long tongue. This cat likes to put itself in glass bowls. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This tortoise was so thirsty that it dunked its entire head underwater for a drink. Here's a really smooth bat trick. This person bought a cup of coffee and used the drone to go pick it up.
You want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
This YouTuber found a difficult puzzle that wants you to remove the contents out of the bottle without breaking it. The first step is to use the rock to undo the screw. After taking it out, the next challenge is putting it all back together. This cat has a strong sense of fashion. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.